You've probably seen these whiteboard animation videos on a lot of educational and history channels. That's because this style of content gets excellent viewer retention. People tend to watch longer since complex topics can be explained in a very simple and engaging way. The best part? You don't need advanced editing skills or a big budget. In fact, you can create these videos in just 5 to 10 minutes completely for free. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make these kinds of videos step by step. Let's get straight into it. First, open Chatgpt. In the description, I provided a prompt link. Copy that prompt and paste it into Chatgpt. If you want to make any changes, you can customize it, but if not, simply submit it as it is. Chatgpt will then generate 10 story ideas for you, and you can choose the one you like the most. Once you've selected an idea, copy the second prompt that I've also provided in the description. Paste it into Chatgpt, and then insert your chosen story idea where required. For example, I really like idea number 2, so I'll paste that one here. After that, Chatgpt will generate both a complete narration script and matching video prompts for your animation. In my case, it generated 20 scenes, but if you want a shorter or longer video, you can simply mention that in the prompt. For now, 20 scenes are more than enough. Now that we have both the narration and the scene prompts ready, it's time to generate the video. For that, go to Google Flow. First, create a new project. Then, apply the same settings that I'm using here. Once that's done, go back to Chatgpt, copy the prompts we generated, paste them into Google Flow, and start the video generation process. As you can see, the generation has now started. Simply repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until all of your videos are generated. Once all the clips are ready, head over to 11 Labs, choose any voice you like, generate the narration, and sync it with your video. And just like that, your final video will look something like this.
What if we could travel through history and discover which countries were the richest on Earth? The answer may surprise you. Throughout history, wealth came from trade, resources, innovation, and the ability to influence the world around you. Around the 1st century, ancient Rome became one of the richest empires ever seen, controlling vast trade networks and millions of people.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what type of video you'd like me to cover next.